Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today we are learning ayah number 69 of Surah Al-An'am and onwards. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم وما على الذين يتقون من حسابهم من شيء ولكن ذكرى لعلهم يتقون و for واو مخرج of واو is circling your lips for fatha open jaws the sound is short ما two counts long ain from your throat nicely for fatha open jaws and the sound is short lal for fatha open jaws attached lam will get off the wasat la for fatha open jaws the um keep your tongue under the frontal two teeth to give the bus sound in dal. The na for fatha open jaws. Yet yeah is light for fatha open jaws attached with ta will get sif of shidda. Shidda means there is no flow of sound. Yet for fatha open jaws the sound is short with fatha. Qu off from your uh, when you are lifting last part of your tongue towards your palate and you're touching the and soft part of your palate, this is the makhraj of qaf, and qaf should be nicely heavy. Qu for the circle your lips, and when the long vowel will be pronounced, the sound should not go into your nose. Even when you're saying off, ooh, ooh, and circle your lips nicely, na, for fatha open jaws, the sound short, min, for kasra give e sound attached with nun get sifa of tawasut, and hukmuhu idhar, hi, for kasra give e sound, sa, give Rakawa and Safid in Seen, and Seen is light and it is two counts long. Sabi, focus give E sound. Him, focus give E sound, and this is Idgham Shafawi. So give a nice time for Gunna. This is yes. This is Idgham Shafawi. Idgham Shafawi. Mim Sakina is merging into Mim Mutaharika. This is Idgham Shafawi. So the guna is longer here because yes, this is bihim focus give e sound, and there is ikhfa. This ikhfa is light. You are hiding sound of noon. You're keeping your mouth ready to say sheen, and you're keeping the sound in your nose for noon. Mia mia shay. This is lean, yai lean. So you are making it soft. Shay focus give e sound, then attach it. Wow, this is idgham with gunna. So keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Wa for makhraj of waw, circle your lips. Fatha open jaws. La two counts long. This is ikhfa. This ikhfa is light. So your tongue should be in a straight position. You are hiding the sound of noon. Getting ready to say harf al-dal, and you're keeping the sound in your nose. Dik. For kasra give e sound attached with kaf. Kaf will get sif of hums. Whenever kaf is with sukun, it has hums. Dik. Ra is heavy. Whenever there is fatha on ra, it is heavy and it is two counts long here. Ra, la, for fatha, open jaws. Al, ain from your throat attached. Lam will get sif of tawassut. La, for fatha, open jaws. Hum, for the circular lips attached. Mim will get sif of tawassut. Hukmuhu idhar. Yet, ya is light. For fatha, open jaws attached. Ta will get sif of shidda. It will cut off the flow of sound. Yet, and to fatha, the sound is short. Qu. Because of this work, we are giving temporary sukun here. This temporary sukun has turned this two counts long vowel into four. This is mad arid lis sukun. وما على الذين يتقون من حسابهم من شيء ولكن ولكن ذكرى لعلهم يتقون. ومخرج الفاء circling your lips فتحة upon jaw the give ذبذبة and ذال ففتحة upon jaw وذا real rise light whenever ra is with kasra it is light attached with lam will get صفة توسط real لا with فتحة the sound is short the gives ذبذبة and ذال. Make sure you keep your tip of your tongue under the frontal, the edge of frontal two teeth. So to say this, the nat for fatha upon jaws attached with ta will get sif of shidda. There is no flow of sound. Nat for fatha upon jaws for fatha. Ha is heavy. To make any letter heavy, you're not circling your lips, but you are lifting your tongue up. Ha, ghain, and qaf are the letters which have no itbaq. So these are mutbaqa letters. Kha, natta, kha, dhu. For dhamma, circle your lips, make it 2 counts long. D, 2 counts long. Na, for fatha upon jaws, the sound is short. Hum for dhamma circle lips attached with meme will get sif of tawasut and hukmuhu idhar. La for fatha upon jaws. Ay ain for kasra give e sound. Ain should be from your throat nicely. Baum for fatha upon jaws and then give idgham. This idgham is with gunna kamila. So keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Baum for fatha upon jaws. La fatha upon jaws attached with ha will get sifa proqawa and keep ha light. Sometimes people tend to make it heavy. It's light. La wow. For fatha upon jaws attached with wow. This is idgham with gunnas. Keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Wow wa. مخرج الواو circling your lips for fatha upon jaws. غر غين is مطبقة not مطبقة it's منفتحة. So attach it ra غرت غرت ra will get sifa of tawasut and then ra will be heavy attach it ta will get sifa of hums غرت who for the circle ellipse the sound is short mul for the circle ellipse attach it lam will get sifa of tawasut ha give hums and ha should be from your throat ha yeah is light make it 2 counts long to for Dhamma circle ellipse attached. Dal will get sif of shidda. There is no flow of sound. Dun. This is idhar mutlaq. When the conditions of idhar the conditions of idgham will are in one word then there is idhar mutlaq. Here look, noon sakina, there is there should be idgham, but it's not applicable. Why? Because it is in one word. To apply idgham, noon should be at the last of the first word and ya or any idgham letters should be in the first part of the next word. So here there should not be any idgham, but this is called idhar mutlaq. So there will be tawassut definitely because whenever there is idhar on noon, it has tawassut. Yeah, to dunya, yeah should not be in your nose. Yeah, wa makhraj of waw. Circling your lips for fatha open jaws. That for fatha open jaws attached kaf. Dakir. That attached kaf. Kaf will get sifa of shidda. Dakir. For kasra give e sound attached ra will be light because there is kasra before it. Ra will be you will get sifa of tawassut. Dakir b for kasra give e sound. He mad munfasil jaiz make it 4 counts long. You can make it 4 or 5. Bihi Hamza is sharp for fatha upon jaws, and this is ikhfa. This ikhfa is light, so keep the tongue straight. Your tongue should be very close to the makhraj of ta. Tube. For the circle ellipse attached ba, will get sifa off. Qalqala and qalqala should be very clear. Tube. Sa. For fatha open jaws. La. For fatha open jaws, the sound is short. Naf. For fatha open jaws attached with ha. Fa. Fa will get sifa of hums, and hums is flow of breath. Nafsum. This is إقلاب. Whenever there is harf ba after tanween, you are giving iqlab. Iqlab is when you are changing the sound of noon into meme. Sum bi focus give e sound. Ma 2 counts long. Ka for fatha open jaws. Sa for fatha open jaws, the sound is short. But for fatha open jaws attached ta, that will get sifa of hums, and hums is flow of breath. But you should not go too close to your teeth, otherwise there will be sound of seen. There is no flow of seen, but it there should be a sound of ta. But kasa, but this sound should be there. I hope you can hear me. Kasa, but lay, yailin, so make it soft. Sa for fatha open jaws. La for fatha open jaws. Ha 2 counts long. Nia for kasra give e sound, and then make ikhfa. This ikhfa is light. Your tongue should be very close to the makhraj of dal, pronouncing this ikhfa. Nia, do for the circle lips, make it 2 counts long. Nil for kasra give e sound attached with lafz jilala. And lafz jilala will be light because there is kasra before it. Nil, la 2 counts long. He for kasra give e sound. ومخرج of واو circling your lips fatha open jaws. Li for kasra give e sound attached. Ya will get sifa of number, and it has rakhawa too. So the sound should flow and give number. Li yun idgham with gunna, so keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Makhraj of power circling your lips. La 2 counts long. Sh for ta open jaws. Fi give hums in fa and make it 2 counts long. Idgham with gunna, so keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. مخرج of واو circling your lips fatha open jaws. This ikhfa is light. Your tongue should be very close to the makhraj of ta. Ta is very sharp fatha open jaws attached. Ain should be from your throat. The sifa will be tawassut. Dil for kasra give e sound attached with lam. Lam will get sifa of tawassut. Tawassut should not go to the boundary of rakhawa. It's short. Dil, kul, for dhamma circle ellipse attached with lam. Lam will get sifa of tawassut. La, for fatha open jaws, the sound is short. Ade, ain from your throat, for fatha open jaws attached with dal. Dal will get sifa of qalqala. And qalqala should be very clear. Ade, lil. This idgham is without kunna, lam, and ra are the letters of your marloon. When there is idgham, but there is no kunna with lam and ra. Lir, ade, la 2 counts long. You for dhamma circle ellipse, as you will touch hamza, your sound should cut off, and your lips should be in a straight position, but should not be stretched behind. You خذ is heavy fatha open jaws attached with dal. Dal will get sifa of rakhawa and hums. Min for kasra give e sound attached with noon. Noon will get sifa of tawassut and hukmuhu idhar. Ha 2 counts long. U for the circle ellipse. La mad muttasil wajib. E for kasra give e sound. Tell for fatha open jaws attached with lam. Lam will get sifa of tawassut. La for fatha open jaws. The 2 counts long. Give zabzaba in dal. Na for fatha open jaws, the sound is short. Ube hamza is sharp for the circle ellipse attached with ba. Ba will get sifa of qalqala. Ube C for kasra give e sound. Lu for the circle ellipse, make it 2 counts long. B for kasra give e sound. Ma, two counts long. Ka, for fatha upon jaws. Sa, for fatha upon jaws, the sound is short. Boo, for dhamma, circle ellipse, make it two counts long, but should not go into your nose when you are pronouncing ba or wow. Boo. La, for fatha upon jaws. Hum, for dhamma, circle ellipse, attach with me, we will get sifa of the wasat. حكمه إظهار. ش, for fatha upon jaws. While saying sheen, your lips should not move. It should not take any position. There is nothing to do with lips when you're pronouncing sheen. Sh, ra is heavy, make it two counts long. Boom, idgham with gunna, so keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Min, idhar, hukmu idhar, and suffice the wasut. Min, ha, hums and from your throat. Ha, me should not go into your nose when there is a long vowel. Mew, idgham with gunna. مخرج الفاء circling your فتح open jaws. Ain from your throat for فتح open jaws. The gives up the bind dal, make it two counts long. Bun for dhamma, circle your lips. And this sifa is the wasut and حكمه إظهار. The sharp of فتح open jaws. Li two counts long. إقلاب, hiding the sound in your nose too. B, focus like E sound. Ma, two counts long. Ka, two counts long. And make up light. Nu, for the circle lips. And don't go into your nose for the long vowel. Nu. Yak, for fatha upon jaws attached kaf. Kaf will get sip of hums. Fu, for the circle lips with hums. And Orun. Because of this work, we are giving temporary sukun here. This temporary sukun has turned this long vowel into 4 or 5 cams. This is madarid li sukun and noon will give tawassut on noon. وَذَرِ الَّذِينَ اتَّخَذُوا دِينَهُمْ لَعِبًا وَلَهْوًا وغرتهم الحياة الدنيا وذكر به أن تبسل نفس بما كسبت ليس لها من دون الله من ولي ولا شفيع ليس لها من دون الله من ولي ولا شفيع وإن تعدل كل عدل لا يؤخذ منها أولئك الذين أبسلوا بما كسبوا لهم شراب من حميم وعذاب أليم بما كانوا يكفرون. سبحانك اللهم ربنا وبحمدك أشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت أستغفرك وأتوب إليك. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.